So in this Scotiabank app tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to sign up for a credit card with no annual fee here on the Scotiabank application. So once the Scotiabank app's opened up, I want you to make sure that My Accounts is selected in the top left, or you're on the home page in the bottom left, go to where it says Credit Cards right here, and then press on Add Card. It'll then bring you to a new screen right here where you can go ahead and check out a variety of different credit cards here. So just for this example, we're going to go ahead here, and where it says featured credit cards, you can actually kind of filter this to where it says no annual fee. So if you want to sign up for a credit card but you don't want to pay an annual fee, this is for you. So we'll just scroll down right here to where it says cashback, no annual fee. So slide all the way to the right, no annual fee, select that, and a bunch of different options to select from here. So there's the Scotiabank Scene Visa card, there's the Scotiabank American Express card, the Scotiabank Momentum no fee Visa card. So if any of these interest you guys, so let's say for example you want to have an American Express card. We'll just do this as an example. I will go ahead and press on apply now, or if you want to see if it's right for you, you can press on that. We'll just press apply now to go to the next screen here. Now, once you're on this page, it actually brings you to the application process. So you can see your progress bar at the top here. You can scroll down, see some more information about it. You can see some information, etc. Obviously, make sure you're reading and doing your due diligence. And if all looks good and you want to proceed with the application, just press agree and continue to proceed with the signing up process this way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to sign up for a credit card with no annual fee on the Scotiabank app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.